Good morning to all. This is my third lecture on aldehydes, ketone, and carboxylic acid. Yesterday, I have explained the preparation of aldehyde from hydrocarbons. Today, we are going to see preparation of aldehyde from ethine. We take ethine, CH, triple bond CH. Ethine undergo hydrolysis in presence of sulfuric acid, mercuric sulfate at 50 degrees centigrade or 323 Kelvin. This water molecule will split up into H plus and OH minus. H plus because this is a symmetrical alkyne. So H plus can attack any one of the carbon atom, OH minus can attack any one of the carbon atom. So we'll get CH2 double bond CHOH. This is a highly unstable. This is a vinyl alcohol. This undergo tautomerism, hetoenol isomerism, or we can say tautomerism, TAUTO, tautomerism. Here enol, why it is called enol keto? Here enol, here OH is there, so OL, ene, double bond is present, enol. The enol form converted into keto form. Hence it is called a hetoenol isomerism. Now what will happen? This is a highly unstable. This double bond, the bi bond will move on in between carbon atom. The hydrogen will move on to the CH2. So ultimately we'll get CH3, single bond, C double bond OH. This is a keto form. This is a keto form. This is a acetaldehyde, or you can say ethanol. The board examination, they will not ask how do you prepare ethanol from ethine. They may ask question, convert ethine to ethanol. Conversion they used to ask. That is a ethine to ethanol. This is a board examination question. How do you convert ethine to propane to propanone. You take CH3, C triple bond CH plus water in presence of sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate at 50 degrees centigrade. The water molecule H plus and OH minus, it will split up. Here we have to follow a Markovnikov rule. Here negative part gets attached to carbon containing less number of hydrogen atom, and H plus can attack the carbon containing less number of hydrogen, as a more number of hydrogen atom. So we'll get the product is CH3, C, here OH will be getting double bond CH2. This is highly unstable. This hydrogen undergo hydrogen will move on to the CH2 group and double bond will move on to the in between carbon and oxygen. This is a enol form which is converted to, we'll get it a CH3 C double bond O CH3 will be getting. This is a propanone. This is what we can prepare ketone from propine or propanone from propine. Sorry, propine to propanone. Okay. Next preparation. From acyl chloride or you can say acid chloride. This is a name reaction, that is name reaction is Rosenmund reduction. Here you take benzoyl chloride COCl. This is a benzoyl chloride. Undergo reduction in presence of hydrogen, palladium, barium sulfate. Gives benzaldehyde. That is a C double bond OH. Here the COCl group converted to CHO. This is a benzaldehyde. So these are important name reactions. This may be asked in conversion or this may ask in the by using name. So benzoyl chloride converted into benzaldehyde with the help of reducing agent hydrogen in presence of palladium, barium sulfate. Next, we are going to study from nitriles. From nitriles and ester. Nitrile and ester. First, from nitrile. Here also name reaction, that is a Stephen, STEPHEN, Stephen reaction. This is a newly added name reaction. Now take alkyl cyanide or alkyl nitrile CN. Undergo reducing agent here stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. This will give the hydrogen. That hydrogen undergo reduction gives imine or CH double bond NH. Further hydrolysis, acidified hydrolysis, it gives CHO. Here the CN group converted to CHO. With the help of reducing agent stannous chloride, this will give a hydrogen molecule. One hydrogen attached to carbon, another hydrogen will attach to nitrogen. The one of the triple bond will go, so we'll get it a RCH This is called a imine, which on acidified hydrolysis it gives a aldehyde, and ammonia will give ammonia as a byproduct. This is the main product, aldehyde. So nitrile is converted to, whenever they used to ask in conversion, how do you convert cyanide to aldehyde? Immediately it should strike in your mind that this is must be a Stevens reaction. So whenever you are studying name reaction, what is the initial reactant, what is the final product, that yaad rakhna hai. Next, another alternate method is there. Alternate method, this is not a alternate method. Alternatively, we can convert cyanide into aldehyde. This is an alternate method, cyanide converted to aldehyde, by using diabal H, DIBAL H, diabal H. That means D for di, isobutyl aluminum hydride. What is the structure? Diisobutyl, IBU, 2 times. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. This formula we can write it diabal H. By using this reagent also we can convert nitride to acetaldehyde. This is a alternate method. It's not a Stevens reaction. For example, you take RC triple bond N in presence of diabal H followed by hydrolysis, it gives a RCHO. The CN group converted into CHO. Any nitrile compound can convert into the aldehyde. You take another example, CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2, CN, C triple bond N. What is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane, hex, 4-ene. The E should not be removed here. Whenever your functional group you are adding, E should be removed, but in this case we should not remove. That is a rule says that here nitrile you have to write it as such. Here hexane 4-ene nitrile. This undergo reaction with diabal H followed by hydrolysis. It gives only the CN group converted into CN is converted to CHO. Rest you have to write as such. That is a CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2, CH2. Here you have to write it CHO. This is a hex 4-ene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here hex 4-ene 1L. 1L. What is the name should be given? Hex 4-ene 1L. Here 1 you have to write it. Yes, you have to write it because here 4-ene we are mentioning. Here 1 you have to mention it. Next from Easter. You take CH3, CH2 9 times, CO, O, C2H5. This undergo, this is a ester group. This is a ester group. Undergo addition with diable H. Diable H. Followed by hydrolysis. This group converted into CH3, CH2 9 times. Here it converted into this group converted into C double bond OH. Here the ester group converted into C double bond OH. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? The IUPAC name of this compound is ethyl. Ethyl. Here 1, here 9, 10, 11. So monothecane. Monothecane. Here ester group is there, so we have to E of the primary suffix should be removed. In the place of E, you have to write it 1-O-A-T-E. Butanoate. Sorry, tecanoate. Ethyl monothecanoate. Here this is the same IUPAC name you tell. Here monothecanal. That's all today. Thank you, all of you. This was my third lecture on this topic. Hope you understand. Thank you. Good luck.